And hello, my name's Chad, and this is getting a washer pump, windshield washer pump changed on a 2012 Chrysler 200 Touring. I haven't found videos for exactly this, just kind of close to it, so here I am. So, it's behind the front, what would be the wheel well, but sometime that came off. So I got direct access, so that's one less step I got to worry about. As far as I can tell, only need like a screwdriver to pop this thing off. Then it's probably gonna leak all over, but at least I'll finally get the goddamn pump back on. It's not exactly how it looks. Kind of look, well, just that white part on the top. It's probably gonna screw everything up. I'll see how it goes. Let's get this sumbitch right down there. Y'all gonna squirt all over this or what? Yep. Oh yeah, look at that. One could catch all of this, but I'm also lazy. Yeah, good thing I buy the cheap shit. Yep. So I'll just I have no fear, I am a YouTube certified mechanic. Oh, check that out. There's a hack. Alright. Back it a bit. And of course it'd be a hell of a lot easier whenever this goddamn thing right there. Really don't feel like taking that off. Come on now. Oh, that's a clip thing there. Should probably come apart. Shoot. There's hose. Hose, but no boats. Apparently that little sumbitch doesn't want to move, so I'm going to try to remove that, whatever the fuck back there. And one of these buddies apparently needs something smaller. How often do you get to say that without being ashamed? You know what? None of them work, because that's not a goddamn bolt. Well, yeah, it's just on the other side. So I'll just keep prying on this motherfucker. Got him! That should leak. So it turns out it's been going this whole time. This fella's a bitch. Fucking asshole. This fucking asshole thing here. Did I break a piece? Yes. Did it finally come off? Also yes. When? There. Some bitch fit like a glove. Bitch of a glove. Let's see if it actually works. That was the problem. No, I did not know if it was or not. Alright. See if some bitch was the problem. Oh yeah! Guess who can see now, baby? Yeah! Fuck yeah. So, that's been the adventures of changing out a windshield washer pump on a 2012 Chrysler 200 Touring. Fuck yeah.